All right, so here's what we got this week. 2007 Mazda RX8, and a friend just needs it gone, and she knows we like to do some car stuff. It's got a few issues, the bumper and headlight, and the hood's a little bit messed up. Not sure if we're gonna fix those or what she really wants to do with it, but in the end, it's gonna be sold. So a few things that we're gonna have to do is clean up the inside. Can't really see, but it's pretty filthy in there and doesn't smell the nicest. And so we'll also go ahead and do a bit of an inspection on it, just make sure it doesn't need anything so that we can sell it to a new owner and make sure it runs good. A couple highlights is it's got a new motor within the last about 50,000 kilometers. And that it's just filthy and probably isn't worth much. I'm gonna go ahead and use a vacuum and try to get rid of some of this dirt. All right, so we went ahead and cleaned it up, and it honestly cleaned up really well. We didn't spend too long on it, maybe an hour and a half. But yeah, it's looking a lot better. You probably can't see much in there. But then we went ahead, lifted it up, and it's overall not bad condition. There is one little bit of an oil leak, and one of the steering stabilizer ends has sort of popped off. So probably go ahead and replace that at some point. But we're gonna go ahead, give the owner a call, and see what she wants to do.